Hello, so let's talk about number bases. So we are going to talk about conversion from base 10 to other bases and from other bases to base 10 first. So number bases, conversion from base 10 to other bases. So now I'd like you to keep in mind that when we talk about number bases, it just means the base at which the counting process is taking place. So if we are counting in base 10, we are going to be counting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So in base 6, it just has to be 6, 12, 18, 24, and so on and so forth. So in base 3, it's 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on and so forth. So that is what you have to keep in mind. So let me give you an example of that. 29 base 10, 59 base 10, and then 87 base 10. So if we are asked to convert these bases, okay, let's say we convert 29 base 10 to base 2. Base 2. Okay, so what do we do in this conversion? And then number 2, let's say we're converting. Okay, let's finish with number 1 first. So what you have to do when converting a base 10 number to another base is make a chart in this way, bring the base you are converting to over here, and divide that base 10 number by that number you are converting to its base. And whatsoever remainder you have, put the remainders over here. And then write your answer from the bottom to the top. So let's practicalize that. 2 into 29 will give us 14. There will be a remainder of 1. Put it here. So 2 into 14 will give us 7. And then there will be a remainder of 0. So 2 into 7 will give us 3. And there will be a remainder of 1. 2 into 3 will give us 1. And there will be a remainder of 1. And 2 into 1 will give us 0. And then there will be a remainder of 1. So writing our answer from the bottom to the top will give us 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. And this will be base 2. Base 2. So, and this is our final answer for this 29. So let's leave it here. Let's bring down 29 to base 2 will become 29 base 10, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 base 2. Okay, so let's do the second one. So let's work on this problem just as we did the first one. This will be 59 base 3. Let me keep R here so you keep in mind this is the chart for the remainder. Okay, so 3 in 59, how many will that be? 3 in 59, this will give us 19, remainder 2. Okay, so let's bring down our 3 again. 3 in 19, this will give us 6, remainder 1. So let's bring down our 3 again. 3 here will give us 2, remainder 0. And then 3 here will give us 0, remainder 2. So let's write it out from the bottom to the top, and that will be our answer. 2, 0, 1, 2 is 3. So this is our final answer. So let's put it over here as the answer for number 2. Number 2 is 59 base 10 2 0 1 2 base 3. Okay. So let's work on the third example. We have 87 base 10. Convert this to base 8. Okay, to base 8. So how do we do this? Let's apply the same steps again. Write out 87. What base are we converting to? Base 8. And let's leave this column for R, which is our remainder. Okay, so this will be 8 into 87 will give us 10, and there will be a remainder of 7. Okay, bring down 8 again. 8 into 10 will give us 1, and there will be a remainder of 2. And then 8 into 1 will be 0. Bring down the 1 here, a remainder of 1. So let's write our answers from the bottom to the top. This will be 1, 2, 7, base 8. So this will be our answer for the number 3. 87 base 10. 1, 2, 7, base 8. Okay. So this will be converting from base 10 to other bases. So now let's deal on converting from other bases back to base 10. I will leave this here and I'll write it out here. Pardon me. Base 10, other base. Okay, this will be other base. Base 10. Okay. So let's use the same question and convert. So what we have is number 1. Let's convert this base 2 back to base 10. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Base 2 to base 10. Base 10. Now, take note of this. When converting other bases to base 10, start by numbering the numbers from the right hand side to the left hand side. Start by numbering them from 0. Okay? So number these. Let me write it out here. Let's leave our equation here. This is 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So number these from the right hand side to the left hand side, starting from 0, this will give you 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now multiply those numbers by the base and then put this as the power. So this will be 1 times base 2 power of 4. Okay, 1 times base 2 in the power of 4 plus 1 times base 2 in the power of 3 plus 1 times base 2 in the power of 2 plus 1 times base 2 power 0, sorry, this is 0 here, 0 times base 2 in the power of 1, and then plus 1 times base 2 in the power of 0. So what would this give you? Equal to, first of all, you know this is indices. You first of all work the powers out first and then multiply 1 by it. So 2 in the power of 4 will give us 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. So this is 16. 1 times 16 is 16. Plus 1 times this is 8, which will now give us 8. Plus 1 times this is 4, will now give us 4. 1 times this is 2 raised to power 1 is 2. 0 times 2 is 0. So any number, no matter the number, be it 10 million or 1 million or any amount, raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. So let's add this up. 16 plus 8 will give us 24, plus 4 will give us 28, plus 0 will be nothing, plus 1, 29. So 29 is our final answer. So let's check. 29 is still base 10. So our answer for this will be 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 base 2 equals to 29 base 10. So let's work on the number 2. So number 2 will be, let's bring 2012 base 3. Let's convert it to base 10. 20012 base 3 base 10. Okay, so this will be just like we said before, write out your equation 0, 2, 1, 2. Now number them from right hand side to the left hand side, starting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, when you've done that, multiply by the base and then add this as the power. So this is base 3, right? So it will be 2 multiplied by 3 in the power of 3 plus 0 multiplied by 3 in the power of 2 plus 1 multiplied by 3 in the power of 1 plus 2 multiplied by 3 in the power of 7. So let's work this out and add up the product of all of them. So this is 3 raised to power 3 is 27. It just means 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So 2 times 27 will give us 54. So this will be 54. 54. This times this is 0 plus this times this is 3, and then this times this is 1. Okay, let's add this up. This is 57. Sorry, this is 2. 2 times 3 raised to the power 0. This is 2. So this is 57, and then this is 59. Our answer is 59. Is 10. Okay, so this is it for the number 2. Let's write out our answer here. So 0, 1, 2 base 3. 2 base 2, 59 base 10. Let's work on the third example. It will be 127 base 8 to base 10. Okay, so this will be just the same process we applied before. Write out your numbers 127, and then name them from right hand side to the left hand side, starting from 0. This will be 0, 1, 2. So now multiply them by the base and then use this as the power of the base. So this is 1 multiplied by base 8 in the power of 2. Okay, plus 2 multiplied by base 8 in the power of 1, plus 7 multiplied by base 8 in the power of 0. So this is 8 times 8 is 64. So this is 64. 1 times 64 is 64. 64 plus 2, this is 8. 2 times 8, this is 16. Plus 7 times 1 is 7. So what we have here is 64 plus 16. This is 0. Carry 1 here. 7, 8. This is 80. 80 plus 7. This is 87. So it tallies with this. So we have 87 base 10. Base 10. Okay. And this is our final answer. Right. So let's write out our answer for the third one. Number 3 will be 127 base 8. 87 base 10. So thank you. This will be all for today's class. I hope you found this video very helpful. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.